sort of person that thinks life's far too short for faffing about renovating, you'll love this tidy wee 2-bedroom number here at 1 Beachwater Grove, Paraparaumu Beach. Whether you're looking to downsize into something more manageable or for your first home, you'll love the fact that it's already modernised and upgraded, fully fenced, fully insulated and double glazed. I'm going to hang out here in the afternoon sun while you go on inside and take a look. We're in a great location here at the heart of Paraparaumu Beach. We've got Paraparaumu Beach School, about 100 metres in that direction, Paraparaumu College, about 1 kilometres walk that way, and a handy little bus stop just around the corner here. I can't wait to find a new owner for this one. It could be you. I'm Aisling James at Tall Poppy Real Estate. Come and say hi at the open home on Sunday.